report it to the union, of course.
Of course.
You'll also have to sign a 10-6 form. Isn't that what you're doing?
This is a test of the emergency alert system. If it's an actual alert, instructions will follow on alert queue for emergency
But there's
information.
got to be someone available.
If it's a silver alert or amber alert, information
Yes,
of
I know
all
all about
alerts
this
will
deployment,
follow.
Janet, but
WJLP3, TV
All right.
channel 33, serves the New York City EAS operational area. This is only